Welcome to the best picks. The best calligraphy kit is probably one of the most rewarding investments you can make if you are passionate about art and lettering, because it opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to express your thoughts and feelings in a unique and visually appealing way. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike, offering a complete set of tools to start or enhance your calligraphy journey, and this video will help you find the perfect kit to match your skill level and artistic style. Number 5. Marte Calligraphy Set. Discover the joy of elegant lettering with this comprehensive calligraphy set. It has everything you need to start creating beautiful, flowing script. This set includes 4 refillable pens, a variety of nibs, and plenty of ink cartridges. You'll be ready to experiment with different lettering styles. From Roman to Gothic, this set allows you to explore a wide range of traditional calligraphy styles. The possibilities are endless. The included exercise booklet provides step-by-step guidance and practice exercises. It's the perfect way to hone your skills. Looking for a thoughtful gift for a creative friend or family member? This complete set is perfect for beginners and experienced calligraphers alike. With this set, you get everything you need to start creating beautiful calligraphy. It's a complete package, ready to use right out of the box. What we like? It has everything you need to start your calligraphy journey, including an exercise booklet to help you practice. If you're a beginner looking for a comprehensive kit, this is a great option. It's also a thoughtful gift for aspiring calligraphers, offering a complete and convenient way to explore this art form. What people say. Nice quality pens and instructions for someone wanting to learn calligraphy. Nice set, it comes in a tin box for storage. Ink flows smoothly, easy to use, nice ink colors, comes with a pump for bottled ink, comes in a tin for storage, comes with practice booklet, ink doesn't dry, for beginners. The practice book is of good quality, the flow of the pens is great, and the extra cartridges is also great. It has additional pens and a converter. Great beginner set. Number 4. Calligraphy Art Set. It's more than just a pen, it's a gateway to elegant handwriting and artistic expression. This set contains everything you need to begin your calligraphy journey. Discover the joy of creating with this exquisite collection. It includes a wooden dip pen, a brass holder, an assortment of nibs, and vibrant ink colors. Express yourself with 7 richly pigmented ink colors. From classic black to vibrant hues, they'll bring your calligraphy to life. This set offers 12 different nibs, allowing you to achieve various line weights and styles. Experiment and find your perfect stroke. It's the perfect present for artists, writers, and anyone who appreciates timeless beauty. The luxurious packaging makes it even more special. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. Your happiness is our priority. What we like? This elegant set comes in a beautiful gift box, making it perfect for gifting or self-indulgence. If you appreciate quality materials and a luxurious feel, this is the set for you. The variety of colors and nibs allows for creative expression, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced calligraphers. What people say. Arrives in a rich black box. The quality, visually, is exactly as described. I love these brush nibs and bottles so much. They're amazing quality and well worth the price and will be the first and last sets you'll ever need. Even though I'm a lot busier now and can't really use them as much as I'd like to, they're still very worth a try from time to time. Also, the included instructions on how to use the pens and such are really useful for beginners. Quality inks, beautiful colors and a variety nibs that can be used in the pen. The pen fits great in my hand and now I'm writing with confidence. Number 3. US Art Calligraphy Set. It's time to explore the art of beautiful handwriting. This complete set has everything you need to get started, from pens to ink to instruction. This set includes 4 calligraphy pens, 5 different nib sizes, and a generous supply of ink cartridges. You'll be ready to create stunning lettering in no time. With extra fine to extra broad nibs, it offers the versatility to create a wide range of lettering styles. Experiment and find your perfect look. It comes with 8 vibrant ink colors, including black, blue, green, orange, red, yellow, and pink. Express yourself with a splash of color. The ink cartridges are refillable, making it an economical and eco-friendly choice. Enjoy your calligraphy hobby for years to come. The included instructional handbook makes learning easy, guiding you step by step. It's perfect for beginners and experienced calligraphers alike. It's from a trusted brand known for quality art supplies and excellent customer service. You can trust it to help you create beautiful work. What we like. This kit boasts a wide variety of nib sizes to suit different lettering styles. If you need a set with many options to experiment with, this is the one for you. The instructional handbook makes it perfect for beginners who want to learn the basics of calligraphy. What people say. The U.S. Art Supply 35-piece calligraphy pen writing set is a comprehensive and well-thought-out collection of pens, nibs, and colorful ink cartridges. It is an ideal set for those interested in elegant writing as both an informative, as well as artful, form of communication. These fountain pens have proven great for my budding interest in hand lettering. They don't always flow perfectly, though some of this is likely user error, but I am pleased with the quality of the letters I've written. So other newcomers know, in case you have a workbook or class that specifies, these nibs only vary in thickness, not type, no italic or flex nib. Number 2. GC Quill Calligraphy Pen Set. Discover the joy of lettering with this comprehensive calligraphy set. It has everything you need to start creating beautiful, flowing script. This set boasts 7 fountain pens, each with a different nib size. Experiment with various lettering styles and find your perfect match. With 40 ink cartridges in 14 vibrant colors, your creativity knows no bounds. Express yourself with a spectrum of hues. Each pen includes a converter, allowing you to refill it with your favorite calligraphy ink. It's economical and sustainable. Looking for a thoughtful present? This set is ideal for aspiring calligraphers, students, or anyone who appreciates the art of handwriting. The set includes 7 calligraphy pens, 40 ink cartridges, and 7 ink converters. You're ready to start creating right away. What we like. With 7 different fountain pens and a generous supply of ink cartridges, this set offers unparalleled versatility. If you enjoy experimenting with different styles and colors, this kit is perfect for you. The ink converter also allows you to use your own ink, giving you even more creative control. What people say. Each pen comes with an ink converter that work well. The pens will take full-size Lamy cartridges which are larger than the cartridges that come with the order. They write well and the ink flows smoothly with no leaking so far. These are beautifully machined, and very comfortable to hold. No cramping in my wrist, and the pens have a nice weight to them, and are nicely balanced. A lot of ink is included, which is great. 6 lovely pens with loads of ink cartridges of many colors all in a charming gift box. I've been having lots of fun trying various scripts with the various sized nibs. All the pens work well except for one which for some reason just won't work. Number 1. Quill Feather Pen Set. Let's take a look at everything included in this elegant pen set. You'll find a variety of pens, ink, and tools to help you create beautiful calligraphy. This set boasts 3 distinct pens, a classic feather pen, a sleek glass dip pen, and a sophisticated wooden calligraphy pen. Each offers a unique writing experience. With 17 different nib sizes and 6 vibrant ink colors, it has everything you need to express your creativity. Experiment with different styles and find your perfect match. The set also includes a beautiful wax seal stamp kit. It's perfect for adding a touch of vintage charm to your letters and documents. This exquisite set makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to impress any recipient with its unique design and functionality. The beautiful packaging and retro style make it a truly memorable present. Whether they're a beginner or an experienced calligrapher, they'll adore this set. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll do our best to make things right. What we like. This unique set combines calligraphy with a wax seal kit, offering a truly vintage experience. If you're looking for something special and different, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate unique aesthetics and enjoy adding a touch of vintage charm to their creations. What people say. The pen works well and so does the seal. I love the pieces included for melting the wax. The calligraphy set comes with lots of tip options, and beautiful utensils tools. It was carefully and creatively packaged. It would be a great gift for someone who likes calligraphy or just nice to have in your own collection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.